Analysts suggest 3 reasons for the plunge. First, the headline risk: violations of antitrust laws in the U.S. Department of Justice and the EU. Second, there is a sharp decline in sales in China and a sharp decline in iPhone sales by -24% last year. The overall average is -7%. Third, it is argued that among big tech companies, they were excluded from the AI craze. However, many analysts predict that although it is currently at $170, it will join the streak of new highs like other big techs and soar to $220. Is that really the case? I judge that not to be the case. Already 2 years ago, there was news that the company could be split in two due to violation of anti-monopoly laws. Dark clouds began to form over Apple due to the sharp drop around April 2022. The U.S. Department of Justice prepared for 5 years. The sharp decline in Apple's sales in China does not happen overnight. Opening Asia's largest store in China requires a year of preparation. This key information would have been relayed to Apple insiders a long time ago. These insiders' actions are reflected in stock price trends. Big techs are renewing their record prices, so why is Apple struggling all year long? We, the general public, cannot know insider information. However, you can get surprising hints by looking at price trends. However, if you lack experience with price trends, dark clouds are never visible. At this opportunity, we introduce price trend knowledge based on insider information. More importantly, I hope you will gain the wisdom to put this knowledge into action. Knowledge and wisdom are different. A car is coming in front of me. Knowing that a car is coming towards me is knowledge. Wisdom is to judge and act by thinking. If an accident happens, I will get hurt, so I should avoid it. The time to take action to sell Apple is early May. Looking at the weekly candle scenario, which is a 4x magnifying glass of the monthly candle, there may be a rebound during the month of April. It is a rebound trend that anyone can understand if they know a little bit about price trend principles. The month of April will see a rebound. It may not be trustworthy to make affirmations as if you know the future, but let's check together for a month. If it does not fall again in early May and rebounds like the black dotted line, Apple is a great company. We can also expect the $220 price that many analysts currently claim. However, if it falls again in early May, as shown by the solid black line, and breaks through the green line, we urge everyone to run away. I think that the world and insiders have abandoned Apple. Why should we coddle Apple when insiders are abandoning it? If the weekly candle breaks through the green line in early May, it is a terrible monthly candle scenario that is possible in the future. It plummeted to $80 over 3 years. Currently, there are 4 layers of moon peaks and dark clouds, and when it rains down to the ground color, maroon line. Is it surprising? Is it hard to believe? Now let's look at the example of Korea's KOSPI. This is the KOSPI weekly candle around July 2021. It is not yet 4 layers, but at the level of 3 layers of dark clouds. It is similar to the current Apple monthly candle. Therefore, the exact time to run away is confirmed through the daily candle, which is a 5x magnifying glass of the weekly candle. It is exactly the same as checking the weekly candle, which is a 4x magnifying glass of the monthly candle, to check whether the Apple monthly candle will rebound or decline after 4 layers of dark clouds. Let's look at the KOSPI trend in the daily candle. There are 2 scenarios here as well. In the KOSPI daily trend since the end of July 2021, there could have been a rebound in early August like the dotted line. However, if it fails to rebound and the candle falls to a solid line that breaks through the green line again, you have to sell and run away at the 3,200 level on August 11, 2021. What happens next is dire. Let's check out the original KOSPI peak, which has 3 layers of dark clouds on the top of the green line mountain. After 3 layers of dark clouds, it plummeted to the green line, mountain peak, and then rebounded a bit, but eventually the rain fell down to the maroon color, ground color. Cases like this are all too common. On Google, dark clouds above the summit, green line, and rain, showers all the way to the ground. In the U.S. 10-year Treasury bond yield, dark clouds above the summit, green line, and rain showers all the way to the ground. In Bitcoin, dark clouds above the summit, green line, and rain showers all the way to the ground. In the Korean $1 exchange rate, dark clouds above the summit, green line, and rain showers all the way to the ground. Even in Korea, Doosan baseball team's weekly winning percentage accumulation, there are dark clouds and showers above the green line. Like the flow of rain particles in dark clouds, the flows created by us man, such as stock prices, also repeat up and down, become heavy, and fall to the ground. In the technical analysis world, this phenomenon is expressed as box inertia and trend inertia and demonstrates statistical accuracy of 70%. It might be unfamiliar and hard to believe because it's your first time, but let's take a look at Apple together for a month. I also listen to stupid things at home. When the entire sky turns black with dark clouds, even a fool will prepare an umbrella. If you take a quick look at the dark cloud data, you can see whether a dark cloud is currently covering the stock you are investing in. It's free. This is a YouTube lecture on deep thinking, in Korean Gipan Gochol,